Welcome back, guys. Today's video is long overdue and highly anticipated because today we are finally on our way down to Piper Trimmers to inspect and sign off the interior on our Healey 104 M spec. I have been promised nothing short of perfection. Let's go and take a look. Now then, guys, before we get into it, if you want to know how the car went from looking something like this to looking how it does today, click on the pop-out banner at the top of the video and that will be a link to the full build series we've done on the car. Now, let's just get into it. Let's go and have a look because this thing looks absolutely brilliant. So there we have it, guys, and I think you'll all agree it looks absolutely fantastic and we are over the moon with the result. For a full interior which only costs 50% more than an off-the-peg kit which runs the risk of not fitting properly. And Piper Trimmers have made every single piece from scratch. So they make a template for that door card, they then take the template across, make a door card, fit it to the car, fits perfectly. The same with the seat covers, all from scratch. The same with the hood, the tonneau. Everything is completely tailored to our car, which then ensures that it fits perfectly. And they've also put a lot of time and effort into getting the correct materials in the correct places. So it's hopefully exactly as it left the factory in 1954. But what happens next with the car? Well, if you're a previous subscriber, you'll know that I currently don't have any garages or facilities or ways to work on a car at the moment. It's in process, it's happening very soon. And there's a little bit of work that needs doing. It needs tuning, a little bit of fine tuning, a bit of fettling. The trafficator needs fitting and a few other little bits and bobs. So that's going to go back to Dan Howell's Classics. They're going to completely finish the car and then it will either be time to put a few test miles on or it will be sold, whichever comes first. Only time will tell, but that's only a couple of weeks away. So our next video may be me and Dad going out for our first ever drive on the UK roads and driving off into the sunset. Or it may be to say that the series comes to a close, the car has been sold. And thanks very much for watching. Watch this space. See you soon.